One question that we've been getting a lot is why did we choose to go to a reverse scroll turbo? First of all, what is a reverse scroll turbo? A reverse scroll turbo, the turbine housing scrolls around this direction. A conventional would come out this direction towards us. So we wanted to keep the turbo tucked in close to the engine so that we could maintain a long header runner length for performance and still mount close to the engine where we could get a hold of that turbo and support it with brackets. We have two brackets on this turbo. This one is a heavy duty steel bracket, runs down, bolts to the transmission, supports the turbo laterally. Up in here, we have another bracket that goes to the engine, and then it comes out, bolts to the turbocharger, and supports the turbo horizontally. Consequently, if you remove this header, those brackets support that turbo all by itself. So now the header's job is just to seal to the head and seal to the turbo and deliver exhaust gases efficiently. That's the header's job, not to support the turbo. The big reason that that's important is these little bolts that hold the header to the engine are not adequate to support that turbocharger. So if you don't have that turbocharger well mounted, those bolts are going to come loose. And if those bolts come loose, then your weekend is spent trying to retighten them instead of riding.